Okay, here we are, the day after hot tub day. And just a couple of niggles I want to try and get sorted out today, because there's a knocking coming from like a port inside a jet, but there's no, you can't adjust it, but it seems to be knocking from inside there. So I'm going to put the GoPro in a bag and just to try and pinpoint what it is so that an engineer or somebody can have a listen and see what that's doing. So we were in the hot tub yesterday. It's absolutely brilliant. We absolutely love it. Apart from this constant knocking coming from that bottom corner. That can't be right. It can't be right at all. So let's investigate that now and see if we can pinpoint it. So there we are. That's the constant dum 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 drumming noise all the time when you're in the tub and the jets are on. It needs sorting out because there's no way I'm gonna be able to cope with that. So something needs to be fixed, whatever it is. So I'll contact Scunthorpe Hot Tubs now and see what they recommend. Let's do that.